If you have any PDF document that you'd like to quickly summarize, then using SciSpace can easily allow you to do so. All you have to do, guys, once you're inside your SciSpace account, just simply go ahead and upload your PDF document. You can easily do that by simply going towards the right hand side, and you can choose either to chat with PDF or just simply click on where you have my library. Here you can either create a folder or you can just upload the document towards the right hand side. Just simply click upload document and you can upload your PDF document. Once you upload your PDF document, it will look like this in this format. And here you have some options now to basically chat with your PDF, listen to your PDF as a podcast, as you can see, play with podcast, and here to quickly summarize. So you can quickly choose summarize or summary, and it's going to quickly allow you to summarize the document. It will do the summary of the document and you'll be able to get all those quick points of it. As you can see, for example, this document, it do a quick summary of the document for me. So if you want to get a quick summary of your document, you can use this to quickly do so. Depending on the document that you choose, it will show you. As you can see, for example, this document here, it requires me now upgrade to a premium or advanced plan. That is something that you can do if you want to get more power out of this platform. And you can pay either monthly or you can pay yearly. But don't worry, even while it's super cheap, as you can see, you can get even better discount. So for the monthly plan, you can get an extra 20% discount by using Andrew20. You can find the promo code in the description of this video, and you can get 20% off that you can get right from the get-go directly. Or if you're going to pay yearly, you can also get a 40% discount off your total price that you would pay with my promo code Andrew40 as well. So you can get that in the description. So if you've ever wanted to upgrade, you can go ahead and use the promo code in the description there to upgrade your account and get some discount off there. But that will allow you to do a lot of things with your account, guys. It's gonna having those plans here can really different. But that's it, guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and summarize your documents, your PDF documents using SciSpace. Very easy and very simple.